Welcome to the Natural Health Centre, Shrewsbury. We've been going since 1990, which is a long time really, and in that time we've had more than 16,000 different people through the door from all over Shropshire, Mid Wales, the West Midlands. We have a team of 30 therapists here offering a wide range of all the best known therapies from osteopathy and chiropractic through acupuncture, reflexology and counselling and hypnotherapy, the whole range really. All our therapists are fully qualified and insured and hand-picked by the partners who run the centre to work here. The 5 partners who run the centre now have more than 100 years of professional practice experience between them.
I'm Avril Sanders-Royal, chiropractor and partner at the Natural Health Centre. Chiropractic is a straightforward method of adjusting the bones of your body to improve the alignment of your skeleton, and through this process help the nervous system to work more efficiently. The purpose of chiropractic care is to realign and rebalance your body to relieve pain and discomfort and to increase mobility. Chiropractors are highly trained to correct the misalignments by using quick and accurate adjustments which are generally comfortable for you to receive. I have a team of chiropractors at the Natural Health Centre, so there is someone here every weekday. You can be confident that they are all registered chiropractors and as such are highly qualified. All were trained at the McTimoney College. The gentle nature of the McTimoney method makes it especially suitable for people of all ages, including young babies, pregnant women and the elderly. Research shows that the following conditions often benefit from spinal manipulation or mobilisation: acute or chronic low back pain, acute or chronic neck pain, whiplash associated disorders, shoulder girdle pain or dysfunction, migraine headache. Well, the number of sessions needed varies depending on all sorts of factors: your age, the nature of the problem, how long you have had the problem, your level of fitness, your work and hobbies, and how well you follow the aftercare and lifestyle advice given by your chiropractor. If you feel you will benefit from chiropractic care, please do not hesitate to call the Natural Health Centre to arrange an appointment to visit one of our chiropractors.
I'm Hannah Litschmann. I'm a partner of the Natural Health Centre in Shrewsbury. I'm also a practitioner of acupressure and Shiatsu. Shiatsu is a healing therapy from Japan which dates back down 5,000 years ago, is quite closely related to acupuncture, using the energy lines of the body called the meridian lines or channels. And on the channels there are acupressure points and they run all over the body. Our work now is to disperse any blockages in those acupressure points, but not using needles, but using finger pressures on those points and on parts of the body to release any blockages. Shiatsu and acupressure can help often for discomfort of the body which is created by tensions, by anxieties, by IBS problems, by panicky feeling, by migraine headaches, and also neck and back pain. For example, we have Lynn here, and I worked with her migraine headache problems for quite some weeks. I work on the meridian lines in the back of the neck and over the head into her forehead, trying to trace all these places, all these pressure points which are congested and blocked. And by the acupressure, I can actually disperse the energy and give a sense of release, a sense of ease. So the whole effect at the end of the session is usually to rebalance the energy of the body and give a sense of ease and relaxation and well-being for the not just physical body but also emotionally for the person to go out and feel lighter and at ease with the world. If you feel Shiatsu and acupressure would help you with any of the mentioned conditions, come to the health center and have a free consultation session and we can take it from there.
Hi, I'm Simon Hooker and I'm one of the partners at the Natural Health Centre and the reflexologist. Reflexology is a therapy that involves working on pressure points on the feet. We work just using our hands, no implements or equipment, working on people's feet and ankles, applying pressure to specific points. And the idea is that this helps the body to balance itself and to work better effectively. People often ask, what can reflexology treat, or can reflexology treat my particular problem? And the point is that because reflexology just works to help the body sort its own problems out, there really is no particular medical condition that reflexology can't help with. I've worked with about 300 pregnant women, for example, sometimes for particular reasons and sometimes just to help ease the path through pregnancy towards an easy labour. I've also worked within a National Health Service hospital just treating people with cancer, not because we were claiming to treat cancer in any way, but actually just because people felt the benefits and reported these back to doctors, so it was seen as a worthwhile thing. A typical session of reflexology lasts about 45 minutes or so. We use a mixture of gentle and firm pressure, partly depending on the area of the foot and partly depending on the health of the person that we're treating. One of the fascinating things about reflexology is how well it works with babies and young children. The first child I ever treated, more than 25 years ago, fell asleep within 5 minutes of me starting the treatment. And that child, the reason I was treating that child was that they had great trouble sleeping. And so ever since I've treated many dozens and dozens of babies and children who have trouble sleeping. So if you think you can benefit from reflexology or you'd like to know more about what the treatment involves, feel free to contact me through the Natural Health Centre in Shrewsbury.
Hi, I'm Ming Liu. I'm a practitioner of Chinese medicine. I practice acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine. Chinese medicine is a complete system of medicine. It's the world's oldest continuously practiced medical system with a detailed textbook dated back 2,000 years. I went to medical school to be trained in general medicine, including Chinese and Western biomedicine for 8 years. I did a master's degree in internal medicine. I had been working at the university hospital in Shandong province, China, for 10 years before I came to the UK in 2004. I believe using the twin lenses of Chinese and Western medicine can make us more effective doctors. I treat a variety of conditions from commencing pain relief, headaches, musculoskeletal problems, to general well-being. I specialize in treating infertility and gynecology problems, skin conditions, autoimmune disorders, rheumatology. A typical acupuncture consultation includes the whole medical history taking, pulse reading, tongue reading, and then patient will be relaxed on the couch, and needles will be returned for about 20 to 30 minutes, and patient will feel normally feel really relaxed. The whole procedure is painless. If you feel you want to try acupuncture, you can contact me via my website or the health center.
Hi, I'm Lynn Louis. I'm one of the team of 2 osteopaths that work here at the Natural Health Centre. We are specialists in the treatment of children and babies and pregnant ladies, as well as the traditionally thought of techniques. The core principle of osteopathy is that given the optimum circumstances, patients are capable of healing and correcting themselves. We, the osteopaths here, achieve this by working to ensure adequate movement and motion throughout the whole body, from the movement of nutrients in and out of each cell to the ability to move through our daily lives. When we have a problem, physically or emotionally, we alter the way in which we use our bodies as a whole, not just the area obviously in distress. This change alters the blood flow and the nerve activity throughout the whole body. This may not totally resolve, and we get stuck. This creates disease or dysfunction. With over 25 years clinical experience, our osteopath practice provides gentle, sympathetic, effective and safe therapy for a wide spectrum of health and well-being difficulties, dealing with issues arising in all ages, from pregnancy and childbirth through infancy, childhood and adolescence, to enriching adulthood and empowering the senior years.
And I do therapeutic massage and personal development work at the Natural Health Centre. I suppose at the most basic level, massage encourages the circulation of blood and lymph, and they feed and clean the body tissues and ease a strain on the heart. So that's at the physical level. But it's also about the healing power of touch. You see, when we feel pain, whether it's physical, mental or emotional, we tighten around it to protect. And what we do not let go of becomes a pattern of holding, which we may or may not be aware of, quite often not. And massage enables us, therefore, to connect with this holding, to realise that it's there, and encourages us to release and let go of the holding and hence the patterns. So when a person first comes, what I'm doing is working out not only why they've come, but also who is living the life, if you like. So what we will do is we will sit down and I will ask questions about why they've come, if they're in pain, what the pain is like, what sort of pain is it, and we'll get down to fairly exact ideas of what the pain is. Is it sharp, is it shooting, is it deep, does it ache, that kind of thing. And then I'll look at medical history, and then ask them a little bit about their family history, and from a visual assessment, look at them and see how the body's aligned. And then the real thing comes when I actually put a hand on, and then we move into massage, which will be working with not only what they've presented, but also who they are in that. And I really do trust my hands. I think there's a way in which you can think you've got an idea of what's going on, then you put your hands on and your hands tell you something different. And quite often when I'm working, I'll work with eyes shut here and there to really feel the tension, the tightnesses, and that's basically what will happen in a session. And each time they come, we will go over how were they after the last massage, how are they feeling right now, what kind of things worked for them, whether things have improved, and then we will go and do another treatment. And most massage treatments are somewhere in the region of 45 minutes a time, but we allow an hour for the consultation as well.
One of the things we offer here is a free consultation. You may feel that you have a need for the Natural Health Centre, but aren't sure exactly which therapist or which therapy is the right one for you. You can come here, sit down for 15-20 minutes with one of the partners, and we'll go through your health situation and your needs and work out the best way forward. We find this is a really popular service because people often don't know exactly what they want. So if you think we can help you, just give us a call.